Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. We're working on this Vauxhall Corsa 2015. It's a petrol, diesel will be the same, and we're getting this service airbag light on. Now if you're getting this and you've done a full scan and clear, it's not going, the fault code's there, and if you're getting B0083 left front impact sensor, I'll show you where it is exactly and what you need to look for. So it's here, right behind this slam panel, should we say. It's really easy, so if you unplug this, and it's really easy to get off, take it off by a, let me see if I can get, it's really hard, but let's see if we can get a code. I don't know if you guys can read it, but that's the part number. So what we recommend is you buy an OEM original sensor, because they tend to go, whether it's been accident or not, they just tend to go, in other words. Buy an original OEM sensor. It doesn't need coding. Just do a, once you've plugged it in, do a full scan and clear, and you should hopefully resolve it. If it's not going away, then the other option would be, obviously check the wiring before you buy anything. That's my recommendation. Check the wiring, make sure there's power going to it. If that's still not going, then it could be the airbag control module that's still storing it. So yeah, but that's what we were saying. Obviously in this one, like we said, it's to do with this here. And let's see, I don't think it's going to switch off because this is the current one that's coming, but you can see it's still on. So we'll buy it original OEM and fit it.